Hey everybody, Jerry here with the Greystone Trading. I wanted to show you guys a trade I took yesterday that made me $1,120. And it was a really interesting day of price action yesterday. We had this huge press up through the aftermarket, and the pre-market was pretty stable. Lots of volatility through the opening couple of candles yesterday as well, which was the 7th. So I'm just going to show you. I apologize, it was the 8th. So I'm going to show you a trade that I took. I don't have my support and resistance on anything. I do have my pre-market high and pre-market low marked. You can't see the other levels there. I can actually zoom in. They're way down here because of the big jump up. The PDH touches was at 659. The market opened very high away from that. So I'm just going to show you how I set some levels in real time and some trades that I took. So the one trade particularly. So I had a resistance level here marked the top of this swing point. You can see where it interacts here. We get this beautiful firm candle pushes up above it. And this candle here, fantastic call entry. And then I had a support level marked here originally. And this big distribution candle happens. And if you look at current price action, you can see there's a lot of this one here, like it pushes down and immediately retraces, right? So that was a trade that I took in the morning and got stopped out on. So I want to show you the particular trade that made me the $1,120. So this trade I took earlier, it had stopped me out. I took this close here and got a nice trade in the morning. So I just want to particularly kind of show you how I analyzed from the morning and went into the afternoon. So this was a really good setup here. This one here, it comes down. It breaks that support level. However, there's an underlying level of support here at the bottom of that swing point. And this candle closed right above it, made me stay away from it. You can see how it immediately comes up. You would have gotten some positions off if you had a wide enough stop to stay alive in that. So this candle comes here, confirms it, breaks it, and also takes out, very importantly, takes out that pre-market low. And you can see where there's so many interactions with that throughout the day earlier. So this one here, it takes out that underlying support. And I take the entry here, and I'll draw on that for you guys so you guys can see it clearly. I take this entry right here with this candle close. Let's see. Sorry about that. This one right here, that's the magic bar that goes down. Beautiful candle, weak, very strong, very firm candle going down. I take this down and I got into the position here and I was able to ride the trailers down into here, and then it kind of wicked and stopped me out, and then it did end up flushing pretty hard. But at that point, I was able to capture $1,120 on that one particular trade. So I just kind of wanted to show you guys how I trade, how I set my key levels. I do this 9 times a week on live sessions. So if you're interested in learning how I trade, please click the link below. You can like, you can subscribe and do all that fun stuff. Please comment on the videos if you guys have any questions at all. If you're interested in learning how this does, this is it is not a get rich quick scheme. This 100% will change your financial life. It can be a little slow going. It can be a little daunting at first, but there's so many coaches inside this program to help you guys become successful traders if you decide that you wanted to join. But otherwise, plenty of content coming through my YouTube channel. If you guys are liking what you see, please comment on it. If there's other stuff that you want to learn or see from me and how I trade, drop it in the videos for you guys of how that happens. So this is a very simple strategy that I use, a very simple instrument to trade with. Don't overthink the market of how it works. It goes up, it goes down, it goes sideways. Our job is to read price, to mark key levels, and to make sure that when you take your entry, you have enough room for the exit to go risk-free on the trade if current price is that. So just a handful of things that you guys can do to learn from this. There's plenty of videos on my channel. There's, like I said, there's dozens and dozens of coaches and resources inside of the community, where there's a Telegram where we do like the 9 sessions a week. There's currency trading, there's futures trading, there's options trading, long-term investment portfolios, the whole bit. So if you're interested in learning how this does, this will change your financial life forever. It can be very overwhelming in the beginning, but don't be scared of it. Just kind of embrace it and go forward with it. But there's lots and lots of information to learn. So if you're interested, please click that link below. Thanks, guys.